Hello everyone, today we are comparing OnePlus Pad 3, Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Let's take this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. OnePlus Pad 3 and Galaxy Tab S10 FE come with IPS LCD display, and the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra comes with AMOLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. Camera features. Galaxy Tab S10 FE and OnePlus Pad 3 come with 13 megapixel rear camera, and the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra comes with 50 megapixel rear camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include HUD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.